Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances, and today we're going to take a look at the 36-inch dual fuel range by Wolf. Wolf ranges are available as either all gas or dual fuel. The dual fuel range has a gas-powered cooktop with an electric-powered oven. This gives you the instant control of gas on the cooktop with a more consistent heating capability of an electric oven. If you're comparing Wolf all-gas ranges versus dual fuel ranges, it's also important to note that only the dual fuel version includes a self-clean feature. Also, the dual fuel's burners are more powerful and the oven features 2 convection fans instead of a single fan in the all-gas range. You'll also pick up more cooking modes, which we'll talk about later. Please keep in mind, if you're replacing a pre-existing all-gas range with a dual fuel range, you'll likely need to have an electrician install a dedicated 240-volt circuit to power the oven. The 36-inch dual fuel range is available with 3 different burner configurations. The DF366 is the 6-burner configuration that offers versatility, especially for a multi-pot feast. The top left burner is the 9200 BTU burner, while the other top 2 burners can reach 15,000 BTUs. Then up front, you have the high-powered 20,000 BTU burner on the left and 2 18,000 BTU burners on the right. The DF364G boasts a versatile 4 burners, plus includes a convenient 15,000 BTU griddle. Wolf's griddle offers consistent heat across the entire griddle surface by utilizing a full-width infrared burner directly under the griddle plate. The result is evenly cooked food across the entire griddle surface. Griddles can be great for quickly cooking breakfast items such as pancakes, eggs, or bacon, but can be versatile enough to cook meats or vegetables. The DF364C offers a 4-burner configuration and gives the home cook a 16,000 BTU infrared charbroiler. This is like having an outdoor grill right in your kitchen, great for grilling steaks or burgers. Also, you'll need to make sure your ventilation hood is up to par for removing the extra smoke and heat generated. Down below, the dual fuel electric oven has dual convection fans, which further help circulate air evenly. For the most part, convection will yield the best results. However, when you're baking delicate items like custards, soufflés, and cakes, it's recommended to turn convection off. Electric ovens can keep an even temperature, which provides more consistent results, especially when baking. The dual fuel oven also comes with 10 different settings, including bake, roast, proof, dehydrate, bake stone, convection, convection bake, convection roast, convection broil, broil, and self-clean. Different types of food require different types of heat, and these settings offer options for varied cooking methods. The capacity of the 36-inch dual fuel range is about 4.5 cubic feet, and the interior oven depth boasts 19 inches with a 30-inch width, making the 36-inch dual fuel range the ideal size to handle cooking a turkey in a 16x13 roasting pan with some sides. Each oven comes with 3 oven racks, and there are 5 different rack positions in the oven. One of the racks is a full extension ball bearing rack that extends all the way out of the oven to help you easily access hot food, heavy casseroles, and pot roasts. There's an enhanced interior view that has a large, double panel glass door window and bright dual halogen lights that allow you to peek in on what you're baking without having to open the door and disturb the cooking process. Wolf appliances are manufactured entirely in the United States at their state-of-the-art Madison, Wisconsin plant by a very skilled labor workforce. Appliances are tested throughout the manufacturing process and then again at the end of manufacturing put through a rigorous test to ensure quality standards are always met. This dedication to quality allows Wolf to stand behind their products by offering one of the best warranties in the industry. Even with all of the best intentions from the manufacturer, occasionally a service issue may arise. This is typically what molds your overall impression of a brand, and most brands tend to get this wrong. Wolf is the exception. If something goes wrong with your Wolf range, Wolf will be out to your location in 24 hours to fix the problem. Also, since Wolf is US based, parts are readily accessible. We hope this video has been helpful. At Designer Appliances, we offer the best prices on high quality appliances. Visit one of our New Jersey showrooms or call one of our experts and they'll help you find the right appliance for your needs. Our Bedminster, New Jersey location has one of the largest selections of Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances on the East Coast, making planning your next dream kitchen a breeze. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.